Putok mo na wala drive. Awak pa lang po sa ako. Hindi ko basta nabihan. Wala pa lang na pero sila lalaki na.
Wala ka naman.
Wala ba competition doon? Wala sa mga kapalit niya kanan. May competition na yung center.
Oh, ikaw may rapor na.
Wala ka kundi anak ko sa kanila. Wala time din. Talaga naman kayo. Kapalit o. Load. Okay na.
Isang na kayo.
Pwede rin nila yung talaga.
Lifestyle. Hindi ka mag-basket. Ikaw pa sa...
Okay. Kuhaan. Singit ko na nga eh.
Kung ka para niyo inana o niyo na o invest ko for schooling ang hindi ayun na ayun na
Cebu to, Cebu. Bukit lagi.
Bukit.
Ya, bali ba? Payos dagat ang landing. Muragang hangin na ko yan eh. May kuhan?
Agad nila.
Agad. Gilabian ko na itong kuhan. Kilid sa Cebu.
Sunod-sunod na ko makaulit na rin sa mga sarong mana.
Touchdown.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just
has landed at Dumaguete National Airport. Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to Dumaguete. On behalf of flight deck headed by Captain
Di address wala. Hindi makita.
Asa matug San Carlos?
Captain Anderon and First Officer Formanan, together with your in-flight cabin crew, Kit, Jamie, Princess, this is CJ, thanking you for making Cebu Pacific your airline of choice. Once again, we sincerely apologize for any inconvenience brought about by this flight delay and hope we could make it up to you on one of your future flights.
Makita ba yan to?
Antay sa natin ulit ha, nakadungog.
Mahala na dilatar. Basta dilatar basta kay landing yun.
Diba? Pag ipugos mo ito na ito, di pa nakalanding.
Seatbelt sign to be switched off before you get your bags or use the lavatory. Exercise caution when opening the overhead bins, as the items inside might have dislodged or shifted during the aircraft movement. Once again, cell phones must not be used for whatever purpose while inside the aircraft. Before deplaning, please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Thank you. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hitayin matanggal ang babalang paggamit ng sinturong pangkaligtasan bago tumayo para kunin inyong mga kagamitan. Panatiling nakasara ang inyong mga cellphone habang kayo ay nasa loob pa ng aeroplano. As safety precaution, please wait for the fasten seatbelt sign to be switched off before standing up to get your bag. Thank you. In the interest of safety, guests are advised to walk through designated areas at the ramp as directed by the ground personnel. It is prohibited to walk under the aircraft wings. Please refrain from taking pictures at the ramp due to the busy ground servicing activities. Thank you.
Nakado ba sila? Pumakon nyo lang hotel.
May you enjoy your stay here in Dumaguete or wherever your onward destination may be. Muli po kami nagpapasalamat sa pagpili at pagsakay ninyo sa Cebu Pacific Air. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat.
Nakado ba sa Seattle? Sa ilang ginikanan.
Namatay naman. Sila kayo na yun. Sila. Pero kapag hindi mo kapag Elvin ko, sobra. Oo. Wala na kayo. Pero hindi siya matangkad kasi. Hindi siya maano.
Kita ko, so excited naman tayo. Ano advice? Kami
Natin.
Oo nga, tagal-tagal.
excited kayo.
Ano yun, diba?
Kung konsepto niya, malay ka ron. Kung doon sa bukasan niya.
Once again, for your safety, please wait for the fasten seatbelt sign to be switched off before you stand up to get your bags from the overhead bin. Muli po para sa inyong kaligtasan, hintay lang po mawala ang ilaw ng babalang sinturong pagkaligtasan bago kayo tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsunod.